Centerpoint is here cutting the branches, and I'm really shocked to look out and see the guy is up in the tree. I I hope they see the weird metal wire that's on the ground along that fence. I'm always trying to not hit with the lawnmower. But this guy's to the right. There's another guy to the left at the other tree. But he knocked that branch down, and suddenly that thick cable started swinging. So I guess maybe the branches had grown around it or something. And Miss Thing has been barking her head off at those guys. The guy came to the door asking if they could go back there, and I could barely hear him over her barking at him. There's a guy on the. So I think there's 3 guys. It's amazing all the activity that goes on around my house on a regular day. And I've noticed before on days that I'll be homesick for something or for whatever reason not at work before I started working from home. It would just be nuts how many times somebody would be knocking at the door or somebody be strolling across the backyard. It would just shock me. And it makes me wonder what goes on when I'm not here. This poor fella, I could barely hear what he was saying because his dumb dog was barking. And he kept stopped talking because it was, I don't know if it was unnerving him. I don't know. But I'm glad they're carrying the branches out. I've got enough out there that I don't want to have to carry myself. So Roxy, don't start. Oh my goodness, look how high up he is. Trim that tree, baby. Come on. I don't want to pay somebody to do it. Yeah. He's hollering something at his buddy. Did you drop the chainsaw? Nope, there it is. Oh, he's got one of those long cutter things. Wow. I wonder if those are expensive. Maybe I need to get one of those. I wish I could just afford to call Canopy Cowboys. That guy, Brad Brewer, he is real good at cutting down trees. He cut a tree down for me. It cost hundreds of dollars. It cost so much I couldn't afford to have him grind up the stump. The stump is still in the front yard. Alexa, what's the temperature?
Right now, it's 74 degrees Fahrenheit. Today, expect a high of 76 degrees.
Not bad weather to work out in, so At least it's not scorching hot for those poor guys. Wow. That's a pretty interesting tool. Let's see if we can see the other guy again. There he is. He's got one of those tools also. But I think he's on the ground behind the tree. All right, that's enough interesting stuff for today. Bye.